Orinda units. Transfer to Confire, and we're going to call BART as well. BART just derailed, it's on fire. We're getting further. One are up. It'll be the westbound track before the Orinda exit.
20
Go ahead.
The train's going to be between the Central Orinda exit and St. Stephen's exit. It's going to be accessible from eastbound 24.
The train between Central Orinda and St. Stephen's accessible from the eastbound 24 side.
It looks like passengers are getting off the train and walking on the tracks. If you could advise BART, stop all incoming trains.
Very firm.
Yeah, come on, I'm on the track. They got the train proceeding. The train stopped.
How do they have the train stop?
Come on, you can show me on the tracks. Just me. Passengers.
Copy, assisting passengers on the track.
21W1, can you ask for if they need more officers?
2332, we don't need anybody else. Thank you.
When I'm speaking with passengers for advising that there's no injuries, but we do need fire because there is active fire.
Copy, no injuries. We'll continue fire.
Medic 45, Engine 44, Engine 43, Engine 16, Engine 15, and Battalion 4. On for BART train, car and fare. It's going to be eastbound 24 near St. Stephen's. Correct, it's on the westbound side of 24. Westbound 24 of BART for BART train on fire. It is responding for the BART fire. It's going to be 2 train cars on fire. The SO is en route to the Orinda BART station for possible access issues.
On fire, Station 45.
Station 45.
45 is going to be responding on Engine 45, and you can dispatch Medic 41. Contact me with Park Central. They've confirmed a train fire and derailment.
On fire, copies. We're getting a report of 2 to 3 cars on their side.
Initiate a MCI pre-alert for this call.
Bravo 3 for attack channel, and per BART, they have the power off from both sides of the tracks, and they're evacuating the passengers now. Battalion 4 units responding to BART. SOs on scene around the BART station. They're advising no injuries. And we'll call them and confirm they have electricians en route. They did confirm that they have the power off on both sides.
This is Battalion 4. I have a visual on the BART train. This is going to be eastbound, just past the Orinda BART station. Let's get CHP to shut down the freeway just prior to the accident.
Confirm, copy. So you want eastbound 24 shut down, correct?